Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. I know I don't normally post my Walmart hauls on Friday, but here we are, and I have so much good information to share with you all. First of all, I'm going to share all about these deals that I got and give you the complete breakdown. Secondly, and this is exciting, this is a giveaway video. So 3 lucky winners will get a $100 Amazon gift card, and I will tell you all the details here in just a moment. Third, I am going to tell you about an app that I tried out this week that I had never used before. And 4, I am going to tell you about an amazing deal over at Ulta Beauty. I did not want to do its own video, but I did want to include it because it is a deal that you definitely want to check out. So let's talk about the giveaway. Of course, all the official details can be found in the video description box below, but here is the Cliff Notes version. 3 winners. Each will get a $100 gift card to Amazon. And here's what you need to do to get entered. The giveaway starts today, Friday, and runs until I announce the winners in my next Walmart video, which should be this coming Wednesday. To get entered, make sure you are subscribed to the channel, like this video, drop me a comment down below. Tell me something that makes you happy. What is something that makes you happy? Tell me that in the comment section. The last piece is whoever wins will need to provide the email address that they used to sign up for the Miles app. Once I announce the winner in my Walmart video, you have 48 hours to contact me and I will get you hooked up with that $100 gift card. This giveaway is in partnership with the Miles app. If you remember a couple of weeks ago, I did a full tutorial on how to use the Miles app to start earning money for the travel and commuting that you are already doing every day. I can link that tutorial down in the video description box for you. All right, let's jump into the deals. The first thing I want to tell you about is the amazing clearance stuff that I found, and then I'm going to get them off the table to give me some more space. Check your ice cream section. I found so much stuff marked down to like $1. So these Yasso coffee chocolate chip Greek yogurt bars, $1. $1 for the box, okay? I also found these Halo Top. You can see right here, they were $4.47, marked down to $1. And not all of the items were marked, so I use my Walmart app to scan products to see what the current price is, but I saw all this ice cream and some of them had clearance stickers, so I assumed a lot of the ice cream that was right there on like the end cap of the freezers was on clearance, so I just started scanning and holy cow, there were so many items on clearance. So this Ben & Jerry's cookie dough, it's dangerous because it's amazing. It's $1. And let's see, was that it? No, this one right here, the Klondike sandwiches. So I was hoping that there was a coupon on coupons.com because I know there was some for Klondike products, but this one did not qualify. So these were originally $3.74, marked down to $1. So definitely check your ice cream section. I think there was one more thing, the Snickers. Yeah, the Snickers ice cream bar right here, 50 cents, and I am assuming this is delicious. Okay, so that was the ice cream. As always, I will include additional pictures of clearance items at the end of the video, including more of the ice cream clearance finds. That was all I bought because I was afraid to buy more because I knew we would just then eat it. Let's talk about the Ulta deal first. Okay, so here's the thing. I never know when deals are going to end. So I could throw this out there and tomorrow the deal is gone, and all I can hope is that you don't get mad at me because I can't tell when a deal is going to end. I can just tell when it's going on. So at Ulta Beauty, and thank you Shop with Sarah for the heads up on this. There is a fantastic deal using the Shopkick app. So if you do not have the Shopkick app yet, grab it using my referral code because not only is it free, you're going to score an additional $5 with using my referral code. But here's the deal. You want to grab one of these Aveeno wipes that's Calm and Restore. This is priced at $8.99. You then want to grab one of these Nair Sensitives. These are for face and bikini. It's the wax strips. These are $8.49. Now, Ulta has a coupon on their website or on their app, either place, for $3.50 off a $15 purchase. Okay, so when you use that coupon and you've purchased those two items, you'll pay $13.98 before tax. Submit your receipt to the Shopkick app, where when I did this deal, I got back $14.14 for scanning the items and purchasing the items, making both of those items completely free. Now, there were two other high value offers back at Ulta. One was on the Maui Moisture products, which I did not purchase. The other was on this Ogx shampoo and conditioner. So this is priced at $8.99. And the Shopkick app had $6.06 back on this product. So that makes it a total of $2.93. Now, you could combine this with the Aveeno and use that $3.50 off a $15 purchase. You can mix and match it however you want to do it. And as far as I know, that $3.50 off a $15 purchase, you could use that multiple times. So if you took 2 trips to Ulta, you could use that coupon 2 different times. And when I did this deal, it reset for the next day. So I could do it again if I wanted to, and if I live near an Ulta and it was worth driving there, I could actually do that deal again. So that is the Ulta Beauty deal. Now let's talk about the Walmart deals. So first off, the Perfect Bar, $2.28. There is an Ibotta offer for $2.29 back, making it completely free. Let me try to tell you about some of the other Ibotta deals. So I also got the Ocean Spray Craisins. This is just something I like. I throw it in my oatmeal. They're $2.34. There was a $1 rebate back on Ibotta, making it just $1.34 for this bag of cranberries. Another Ibotta offer that I did this week, and I didn't do a lot of them, but I also grabbed the Sargento cheese. I liked this cheese. We needed cheese. My son's been starting to eat like grilled cheese sandwiches, so we're going through cheese like crazy. These are $3.18 a pack. Okay, now there is an offer on Ibotta for $1.25 back when you buy 2 of them. Brand Club, another app that I've been using, I had done a survey for Sargento, and I got $3 back for purchasing these, making both of these $2.11 or just $1.05 per package, which was a great deal. Now, I know a lot of you have been asking me questions about Brand Club. I have been emailing back and forth with them with a couple of questions for some clarification. Once I get that, I will be sharing that information with you guys. But what I have been hearing, and I don't have full clarification on this yet, is now the surveys that we're doing, they will only unlock if we buy a product that is above that amount. So if the survey gives you $3, you're only going to get that $3 back if you purchase a product over $3, which this was because it was $3.18 and I had done that survey. So again, I will get clarification and provide that to you just as soon as I have it. Let's see, another Brand Club offer while we're on it. The Silk Almond Milk, I had bought this before. It is priced at $2.98. I had done a survey for $2.50, so that made this just 48 cents. Now, if you're not using Brand Club yet, grab it using my link down below because you'll score an additional $10 when you sign up. Another Brand Club offer is on the Eggo Waffles. These are $2.68. I had strategically done a survey for $2.50, making my final cost just 18 cents for this product. Now, if you do not see surveys yet, it's probably because you haven't been shopping and syncing to the app. So the surveys that I'm seeing are based on the items that I'm purchasing. So if I purchase Sargento, normally the next day I start to see Sargento surveys in my Brand Club app. So if you don't see any yet, make sure you are shopping and then syncing your app so they're picking up the purchases that you are doing at Walmart. Okay, other deals before I talk about the new app. Clorox. So I haven't seen anyone talking about this one. There is a swag bucks offer for $3 back on 2. And it was any Clorox bleach, wipes, or I think multi-purpose cleaner. So I grabbed the smaller bottles of Clorox at $2.82 each. And then I submitted my receipt to Swagbucks. It did not go through immediately. I had to request a review, but literally within an hour they had approved it. So I got $3 back, making this $2.64 for both of them, or just $1.32 each. If you want to know more about Swagbucks, I do have a complete tutorial on that one. I know it confuses a lot of people, so definitely check out that tutorial. I think you might find that helpful. Okay, so new app that I have been playing with, and someone mentioned it to me. They sent me an email and said, hey, have you heard of Zardy? I'm like, no, but it's on my list now to look at. So I looked at it this week, and it's pretty cool. I think it's only good at Walmart because it's like Walmart branded items in there. And when you purchase items, you scan your receipt, you get points back for buying those items. Then they send you like a follow-up survey. It's about a week later, I believe. You finish answering questions about the product, and then you get additional points back. So, and they had some completely free ones. So let me tell you how that worked out. The Snickers bar. So on there it says 100% back. These are priced at 98 cents, and I got back 98 cents when I purchased it. I scanned it, and then I answered a few questions about my experience, not eating it, but like buying it. It asked me different questions. It was maybe 6 questions. It didn't take me long to do it all. And then 980 points hit my account, which is 98 cents, because every 10,000 points equals a $10 gift card. And that's the way you cash out on this Zardy app, is on gift cards, not to PayPal or Venmo. So if that's not your thing, that's not your thing. But I feel like it is my job to show you all as many money-saving ideas as possible. If you choose that it's not the right one for you, totally fine. Same deal with the M&Ms and the Reese's. Okay, each of these were 98 cents. I bought it, I scanned it into the Zardy app, I answered a few questions, I got 98 cents in my account, and now all of these are marked to give me like a follow-up survey in about a week, and it says that I will get additional points when that survey becomes available, and I do it. A couple other of the Zardy ones that I did was the Ogx 000 Greek yogurt. So this is $1.06. And I'm going to get back 95 cents. And I say going to because it gave me some of the points when I bought it, scanned the receipt, and then it's going to give me the rest of the points when I do that follow-up survey. So once I get the full 95 cents, and I think it gave me 60 to begin with, so I'm like short the 35 cents until I do that follow-up survey, this will only be 11 cents. So great deal. I also got, there were quite a few like great value products on there. And this is one my store had, was on the tortilla chips. This is $1.74. The Zardy app is giving back 90 cents, making my final cost just 84 cents for this item. And the last one that I grabbed was the Barilla Pasta. So this pasta is $1.58 for the box. The Zardy app gave me back 95 cents. I then submitted my receipt to the Makina app that I've mentioned to you guys before that has a lot of organic products, making my final cost on this just 38 cents. Now, of course, if you're not using Makina yet, I do have a referral code that will score you an extra $1 when you scan your first receipt. And I bought these at Walgreens this week as well. So you could scan your receipt for Walgreens. You could do it at Walmart as well. If y'all have questions on any of this, don't hesitate to drop me a comment down below. But of course you're gonna drop me a comment down below because you're gonna get yourself entered to win one of those $100 gift cards to Amazon. Stay tuned to the end of the video. That way you can see what's on clearance this week. So let's talk about the giveaway. Version. 3 winners each will get Christina. I know I don't normally post my Walmart here in just a moment. Secondly, no, I'm on 3. Thirdly, is thirdly a word? Is thirdly a word? This giveaway is